In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open zapier.com on your web browser. This is where you can make the integration happen. So, from the main dashboard, after you open your account, click on Create and then click on Zaps. From here, we're going to describe our workflow for the Copilot to help us. This would help you make things easier. So connect ClickUp with HubSpot CRM and enter. From here, as you can see, your query is automatically analyzed by the AI. So it would give you options that you can use, or you can choose something else. But for the sake of this video, let's follow the steps provided by the AI. So I chose this option. Now it will continue with making our integration. Now, what would be our next option? Enter. Now it's going to set up these actions. The final step of this would be to connect to our HubSpot account and to our ClickUp account. And once we've done with connecting those two, we now have a finished integration between those two apps. So right here, you can see I'm going to sign in with my HubSpot account. And sign in. Then once I enter my email here, sign with my Google. And after that, as you can see, I can now use this integration between ClickUp and HubSpot. Very easy. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.